Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As a new Brutal Luxury Motorhome, the fictitious 2026 Volvo Monster Torpedo Edition motorhome is a dramatic break from Volvo's conventional image of subtle safety and Scandinavian sensibility. This bold idea combines the innate durability of Volvo's heavy-duty truck underpinnings with a bold, even intimidating design, all while encasing an interior of unmatched, if unorthodox, luxury. The Monster Torpedo Edition would attract attention right away from the outside. It would have a purposefully brutalist design with angular angles, massive proportions, and a resolute monolithic appearance. A torpedo might imply a sleek, strongly armored shape, along with a wide, low-slung stance that adds stability and an air of unstoppable motion. The grille would probably be redesigned with a more aggressive, possibly even threatening, look while keeping Volvo's recognizable iron logo. Its powerful presence would be highlighted by integrated, high-intensity LED lights that would pierce the darkness. Its brutal identity would be enhanced by matte finishes, reinforced body panels, and possibly even movable external components, suggesting an almost tactical capability beneath its opulent exterior. This RV is built to stand out. It is not meant to fit in. The 2026 Volvo Monster Torpedo Edition's cabin would provide an intriguing paradox: harsh luxury. The cabin of this RV would embrace a dramatic, almost industrial grandeur, far from the austere beauty usually associated with Scandinavian design. Imagine unique, possibly unusual, with treatments and rich, dark leathers contrasted with heavy-gauge brushed metals. Inspired by high-performance airplanes or specialized military vehicles, the seating would be incredibly ergonomic, offering the utmost comfort and support during lengthy trips or difficult terrain. Modern soundproofing would produce a secluded, tranquil setting, a sumptuous haven protected from the outside world. Integration of technology would be crucial, but it would be done with brutal efficiency. Strong, user-friendly interfaces would manage every element of the living area, from the entertainment and climate management to the sophisticated security systems. In place of blatantly gaudy displays, gourmet preparation would be possible in any setting with a modern kitchen, possibly equipped with commercial-grade appliances. The sleeping area would be luxuriously furnished and provide a haven for relaxation. The distinction between a luxurious home and a powerful mobile command center may be muddled by distinctive features like a reinforced safe room, sophisticated communication arrays, or even a movable external observation platform. The Volvo Monster Torpedo Edition would make use of Volvo's well-known heavy-duty truck chassis beneath its intimidating look, guaranteeing unmatched durability, cargo capacity, and off-road performance. Unrelenting power would be supplied by a strong, highly efficient engine, perhaps a sturdy diesel or even a hybrid powertrain built for maximum dependability. The brutal luxury experience would be embodied by sophisticated suspension systems that provide a stable and comfortable ride on any terrain, maybe with adjustable ride height and customized damping. This RV would cater to a select group of people who want not only luxury but also a declaration of unwavering strength and uncompromising style. It would be a mobile fortress of luxury for people who want to travel the world at their own pace. Luxury motorhoming would be redefined by the 2026 Volvo Monster Torpedo Edition, which would have an incredibly distinctive, powerful, and memorable presence on any route.